Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, as well as no key and all-terrain tires, powered sunroof, heads-up display, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with lots of extra paneling and cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. It's going to come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as the seat memory with the dark wood and chrome accents. You're also going to get these chrome running boards here as well, and these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats, super comfortable. Left side, you'll have your drive mode selector, your 2 and 4 wheel, and as well as your lighting controls. And next to that will be your heads-up display controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, pretty much anything you need, pitch and roll, as well as you can access your music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start down here, classic column truck shifter. Pretty straightforward for the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation and Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also access the bed camera here, and as well as your front and rear cameras with the 360 degree and the mirror cams. Also got built-in trailering and OnStar services included. Below that, you're gonna have your dual zone climate controls, the heated seats, the cooled. Below that, you're gonna have your lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop, as well as hill descent control. And below that will be your brake controller, 2 USB ports, a 12-volt and an AC wall charger. And in the center console, huge wireless charging pad, fits pretty much any phone. Lots of extra storage, and 2 more USB ports, as well as an SD card reader. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated. Dark wood across, you're gonna have the double glove box as well. Speakers and vents with some storage up top. And then you're gonna have regular and digital rear view. And up top here, you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna have these 20-inch chrome aluminum wheels on Nokian Outpost all-terrain tires. You're gonna have the Z7 package, the 6.2 liter badging, chrome mirror caps, and chrome door handles as well. Also equipped with a rebate discreet smart folding cover. You're gonna have the chrome corner step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch, 5th wheel just under. And into the back here, you're going to have LED lamps on each side, an AC wall charger on the bottom, and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious room. And onto the rear interior, more paneling and storage on the bottom here. Speakers right next to it, power window with the chrome handle. Back crew cab, so very good legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side. Rear cup holders, rear heated seating, as well as USB ports and a 12-volt, some ventilation. As well as right in the center. Cup holder and armrest. You're also going to have storage behind the seats, as well as storage under the seats. Lamps at top and handles at the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. It comes equipped with the 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as heads-up display, Nokian Outpost all-terrain tires, hill descent control, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.